Ever wondered if a simple pedal assembly could truly transform your driving experience? This Allstar Performance Brake Pedal Assembly, part number 41014, is designed to do just that, and it's a serious piece of kit. Right out of the box, you can feel the quality. The package dimensions are 22.1 centimeters long by 46.23 centimeters wide by 32.26 centimeters high, and it tips the scales at a solid 9.4 pounds. This isn't some flimsy aftermarket part. It feels substantial and built to last. The fit type is vehicle-specific, which is crucial for ensuring a seamless installation and optimal performance. You're not just getting a generic part, you're getting something engineered for your specific application. Imagine the precision and control this could offer. It's the kind of upgrade that makes you feel more connected to your vehicle, especially when you need that confident braking. The engineering behind it suggests a focus on driver feedback and responsiveness, which is paramount for any performance-oriented build. It's the kind of component that, while not always the flashiest, makes a world of difference in how the car feels and performs when you're pushing it. This assembly promises to deliver that enhanced feel and reliability that serious enthusiasts crave. It's a testament to Allstar Performance's commitment to quality and function. For anyone looking to elevate their braking system beyond the stock setup, this pedal assembly is definitely worth a close look. It's a solid investment in performance and control.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.